Okay, C. Rotation. Now, if a point P is rotated anticlockwise about the origin, then the results as follows. Okay, anticlockwise, that means rotate like this direction. Okay, anticlockwise. So let's see. If rotated, then what happened? Start from point P here. If rotated like this, then 90 degrees, what happened? Can you tell me this image? Yeah, the first one. Rotate 90 degrees. Yeah, you see that this point is, okay, P1. Array like this, P1. What is the coordinates? What are the coordinates? Yeah, you see that XY coordinates change because this rectangle, do you remember? It becomes the width and the length change. That means is this one, right? However, this is the quadrant 1 to positive coordinates. Change it or rotate it to the quadrant 2. Okay? In quadrant 2, x coordinates is negative. So -2, 3 is the answer. Okay? Let me first think about which quadrant. Okay? After rotate to a certain degrees, maybe 90 degrees, 180 or 270, then which quadrant does the point lies in? Okay? Then afterward, you think about the sign. Okay? Is it positive or negative of two coordinates? Okay? If now is 180 degrees, let me see here. Okay, then what is point P? The image of point P. And you see that the rectangle lies the same, okay, the length and the width. So 3, 2, just the same. However, becomes -3 and -2. Okay, 2 negative. So 180 degrees, you see that 2 negative values. And lastly, if 270 degrees, then what happens? Okay, and you can think it this, okay, 270, that means from the first quadrant to the fourth quadrant. And in the fourth quadrant is positive, negative, okay? So P3 here, rectangle change the length and the width, so 2, 3. And with the negative y coordinates. So 2, negative is the answer. Just now, 180 degrees changes from the first quadrant to the third one. So this one is the third quadrant. And you know that this one is negative, negative. So 2 values becomes negative, right? So it's not difficult for you to find the image coordinates. Okay, let's see to have some examples. 9.6.5. Let's have a look. Write down the coordinates of the image correspond to each of the following rotations on the rectangular coordinate plane. Part A. -3, 1 anti-clockwise about O through 90 degrees. Okay, let's see. -3, 1 as this position. -3, 1. Okay, you see that this rectangle, after rotated anti-clockwise 90 degrees, so it becomes here. And this is the image of A. Okay, so what happened? From quadrant 2 to quadrant 3, right? And for the quadrant 3 is negative, negative, right? And the length of the width and rectangle, it should change to 1, 3, and both negative value in quadrant 3. So the answer A, pi, -1, -3. Okay, -1, -3. Okay, think about part 2. This one. B, 2, -9, anti-clockwise, and then through 180 degrees. 2, -9, where is it? Yeah, it's quadrant 4. Quadrant 4. That means from here, quadrant 4. Okay? And anti-clockwise about all through 180 degrees. So goes to quadrant 2. Quadrant 2. So this one is positive, negative, and this one becomes negative, positive. Right. Next, think about the rectangle. 2, -9 basically means like this. Okay? After turn and turn. So this one becomes like this. So the length and the width just the same. So 2 and 9 just the same. And now -2, +9. So this is the image of B. Okay? How about C? Counterclockwise. Okay, counterclockwise. C here, okay. About all through 270 degrees. Okay, so let's see. This time a little bit difficult. Seems C lies on axis, not in any quadrants. Okay. And you see that 0, -2 is here. Anti-clockwise, that means counterclockwise, about all through 270. That means 1, 2, 3. That means up to here. So what is the final position? Yeah, here. And you know that this one, it should be -2, 0. Yeah, correct. Part D. Rotate D clockwise. This time is clockwise. About all through 90 degrees. Okay. Which quadrant for part D? Yeah, it's quadrant 2. Yeah, correct. Quadrant 2. That means here. Clockwise 90 degrees. That means like this. Okay. So to quadrant 1. And for the quadrant 1, positive, positive. Oh, that's great. Okay. So here is a rectangle. It becomes like this. So 7, 4. All positive. So image of D is 7, 4. Can get it? Yeah. D, E, F, G. Can you do it now? You can think about this one. Do it by yourself first, and then later on to check your answer. Okay, I will go on. Let's see. Clockwise, 180 degrees. Okay, clockwise, 180 degrees. If you see 180 degrees, that's good, because the sign of two values just change it is the answer. Right? Remember? Maybe you can draw it by yourself. -5, 8 is quadrant 2. -5, 8 here. And becomes here. Not this direction. It should be this direction. However, just the same, because 180 degrees. Clockwise 180 degrees, so become quadrant 4. So from 2 to 4, let's see. Negative, positive becomes positive, negative, right? Length and the width of the rectangle, no change. Next, clockwise 270. Okay, And here is quadrant 1. Quadrant 1, 2, which one? Okay, quadrant 1, clockwise, that means okay, so quadrant 3. No, quadrant 2, sorry. Yeah, quadrant 2. Okay, so this one, F pi. 6, 1, okay, turn, it becomes 1, 6, right? And quadrant 2 is negative, x coordinate is negative. So this one, negative, positive. F pi is negative 1, 6. Okay, let's see, G. Counterclockwise 90 degree and then rotate clockwise 180. So for the first one, it's quadrant 3, right? 3, 2, okay, counterclockwise. That means like this, right? To quadrant 4. Okay, so it becomes positive, negative, yeah, positive, negative. So 2, negative 1. And how about the last one? From quadrant 4 to quadrant 2, yeah, okay. 2, negative 1. So it becomes negative 2, 1. So finally, G pi is negative 2, 1. H. Clockwise about O through 90 degrees. Okay, clockwise, 90 degrees. And then anti-clockwise, 270. Okay, here H lies on quadrant 4, right? 9, negative 12, okay? Clockwise, that means like this, right? So quadrant 4 to quadrant 3. So from here is 9, negative 12. It becomes both negative. Negative 12, negative 9, right? And the next one, anti-clockwise 270. Anti-clockwise 270. That means here, okay, to quadrant 2. So from quadrant 3 to quadrant 2, yeah. So negative 12, negative 9, it becomes 9, negative 9 and 12. So finally, the result of the image of H is negative 9 and 12. Okay? You can try by yourself again.